Welcome to FoolyFun. Come on, let's play. We're going to the spaceship park with really long slides. Go! Let's go! The very big slide in the world. That really tall one. I can make words. White or yellow, whatever color. I can play tic-tac-toe. I'm the O, the mom's the X. Mommy wins! No need for loud! I almost got my pants started with sand. I'm gonna climb up this really big rocket spaceship. It's so big, it has slides to slide off, and I can yell there. Look how tall it is. It's so cool. Look how tall it is. Would you yell until you get on it and slide down? Is that scary to you? Okay, this is it. There's no way out. I'm gonna come down this slide. I'm going to be brave, and you're going to see me come down just in a second. It's so tall, I can't even slide down really fast. I'm going to count to 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now! Oh, okay, well, I got scared because there was a girl there. I met her. She was right there, scaring me. And it was very scary, and that kid is going to be here. Oops, I went down the wrong slide. Sorry, I'll go the right one next time today. It will be much easier with my friend I found. She was so cute with me. She found stuff with me, and I found stuff just like her. She was very nice to me. I loved her doing that, and there was footprints everywhere for me and her. Okay, here we go! I caught her the way up! My baby sister can't go down the slide yet. She's too scared and she'll cry. She loves that slide. I love it too. I want to do it for right now. You make friends at the park. You can swing with them, talk with them, play with them, and everything what you can do with them. I made a friend. She has a pink shirt on and gray pants, just like me. But I have an orange shirt and she has a pink. Do you think that matches? No! I was going on the bike, the biggest one. I was going faster than that girl was. We had a lot of fun. There was a helicopter. We looked at it, but it was full of camel paint. It's hot out today. I think we'll deserve to go to the park in the nighttime if Daddy wants to go. I'm going to eat my popsicle. Abigail's trying to reach on the island for stuff. I made this popsicle by myself. Do you want the recipe book to learn how to make a popsicle? Oh, you know why there's steam coming out of it?
Why?
Because it's super cold. It's cold steam. Can you feel it? It's cold steam. It's coming out from the bottom. I can show you how to make it. First, you make a block of you put a stick in the cup and you put Kool-Aid in it, and then you let it in the freezer for 2 days at one time. you have Kool-Aid? So you can make a block of popsicle with a stick sticking out like this? Can you remember how to make a popsicle that freezes cold? With all steam coming out that's cold steam? That has freeze? Can you remember? The grocery store gets Kool-Aid for your popsicle. Yummy yum, it's delicious. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. I hope you'll have fun. Make sure you watch this video one day. It's going to be fun. Mommy is watching all kinds of my YouTube videos and I am too. Look at the Kool-Aid. Maybe that Kool-Aid is a block or something. See you next time. Come back for more adventures. Jump. Jump, 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 jump. Subscribe for more videos. I hope to play with you next time. Click on my other videos to watch them. Come back for more adventures.